What if I told you there is a healthcare career in Dubai where you don't need to see patients, don't need a medical degree, and can even work from home while earning 10,000 to 15,000 per month? Sounds impossible, right? But right now, hospitals across the UAE are desperately searching for people with this one skill. And most job seekers have never even heard of it. It's called medical coding. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to break into his hidden career, even if you have zero medical background. Let's decode your future. Why medical coding matters? Before we talk about salaries and jobs, let's understand what medical coders actually do. Every time you visit a doctor, get a blood test, or have surgery, everything gets documented. But here is the thing. Insurance companies, hospitals, governments don't read paragraphs, they read codes. A medical coder translates diagnosis, treatments, procedures into standardized alphanumeric codes like ICD-10, CPT, and HCPC. These codes are used for insurance claims and billing, hospital revenue management, patient record keeping, healthcare research and analytics. Think of it like this. Doctors save lives, medical coders save the paperwork and make sure hospitals actually get paid. Without accurate coding, the entire healthcare revenue cycle breaks down. And that's exactly why this profession is exploding right now. Why 2026 is the perfect time. Let me give you some numbers that will blow your mind. The UAE's healthcare sector is projected to hit AED 71.4 billion by 2026. There are over 5,300 healthcare facilities across the Emirates, and the number is growing every year. But here is the game changer. In 2026, health insurance became mandatory for every resident in the UAE. What does that mean for medical coder? Every single medical claim, from a simple consultation to a major surgery, needs to be coded accurately before it can be processed. More patients, more insurance claims, and more demand for coders. According to market research, the UAE's medical coding industry is growing at 7.7% annually, and the highest rate in the entire Middle East and Africa region. And Dubai alone has the highest number of medical coding vacancies in the Middle East. This isn't just a job trend, it's a career revolution. What can you actually earn? Now let's talk about what everyone really wants to know, the money. Here is the real salary breakdown for medical coders in the UAE in 2026. A person with an experience level of 0 to 1 year at entry level will earn 85,000 to 88,000. The person at mid-level with 2 to 4 years of experience plus CPC will earn 10,000 to 15,000. And the person with 5 plus years of experience at senior level can earn from 15,000 to 20,000 and plus. And here is something most people don't realize. Certified coders, those with credentials like CPC or CCS, earn 20 to 25% more than non-certified professionals. The certification isn't just a piece of paper, it's a salary multiplier. Top employers like Cleveland Clinic, Abu Dhabi, NMC Healthcare, and Saudi German hospitals are actively hiring certified coders, and they're willing to pay premium salaries for the right talent. Plus, medical coding comes with additional benefits: health and insurance coverage, annual flight tickets, professional development opportunities, the hidden advantage. Here is something that makes medical coding unique in the healthcare industry. You don't have to be in the hospital to do this job. Right now, there are over 700 remote medical coding positions listed in UAE alone. Many insurance companies and healthcare outsourcing firms hire coders who work entirely from home. Some professionals even work from US and UK based healthcare companies while living in Dubai, earning in dollars while enjoying UAE's tax-free lifestyle. This is one of the few healthcare careers where you can skip the commute, set flexible hours, work for international clients, and still earn a competitive salary. If work-life balance matters to you, medical coding checks all the boxes where you can work. Medical coding isn't just the job, it's an entire career ecosystem. Here are the top job titles you can pursue. First, medical coder. You will code consultation, lab test, and clinic visits. This is where most beginners start. Second, inpatient coder. You will handle hospital admissions, surgeries, and complex procedures. Higher complexity means higher pay. Third, medical coding auditor. You will review and verify coding accuracy across the organization. Perfect for detail-oriented professionals. Fourth, medical billing specialist. You will work on claim submissions, rejections, and reimbursements, combining coding knowledge with financial skills. Fifth, Coding team lead or manager. With 3 to 5 years of experience, you can lead entire coding department and earn 80-20,000 plus per month. 6th, healthcare data analyst. Combine coding expertise with analytics skill to work on research, compliance, and healthcare optimization. The career path is clear. Start as a coder, specialize, and grow into leadership or niche expert roles. Certifications, your ticket to this career. Now, the most important question: how do you actually become a medical coder? Unlike nursing or medicine, you don't need a medical degree, but you do need certification. Here are the globally recognized credentials that UAE employees look for. First, Certified Professional Coder. This is the gold standard. It's the most recognized medical coding certification worldwide. The CPC exam covers ICD-10 CM, CPT, HCPCS Level 2, medical terminology and anatomy basics. Passing this exam proves you can code accurately for outpatient settings, which is where most jobs are. Second, Certified Coding Specialist. This certification is ideal for hospital-based and inpatient coding roles. Third, Certified Coding Associate. A great entry-level certification if you are just starting out. Fourth, Specialty Certification. Once you gain experience, you can specialize in it. Certified Inpatient Coder, Certified Outpatient Coder, Radiology Coder, Cardiology Coder. Each specialization opens door to higher paying niche roles. How to get started? Let me give you a clear, actionable roadmap to start your medical coder career in UAE. Step 1. Understand the basic. You don't need a medical background, but you do need to learn medical terminology, human anatomy basics, healthcare documentation. Good training programs teach all of this from scratch. Step 2. Enroll in CPC preparation course. This is non-negotiable. The CPC exam is challenging. It has 150 question, 5-hour 40-minute format. Professional training gives you structured curriculum covering all coding systems, real-world case studies and practice exercises, mock exam that simulate the actual test, guidance from certified instructors. At Edoxi Training Institute, our 80 hours medical coding course covers everything you need, from anatomy fundamentals to advanced coding techniques, with dedicated CPC exam preparation. Step 3. Pass your certification exam. The CPC exam is administered by AAPC at authorized testing centers. Once you pass, you will receive your CPC credential, which is valid globally. Step 4. Build your portfolio. Start applying for entry-level positions at hospitals, insurance companies, healthcare outsourcing firms, clinics and diagnostic centers. Even without UA experiences, your certification opens door. Step 5. Specialize and grow. After 2 to 3 years, consider taking specialty certifications, moving into auditing or management roles, exploring remote opportunities with international companies. The more you grow, the more you earn. Common question answered. Let me quickly address the question I get asked most often. Do I need a medical degree? No. A high school diploma or any bachelor's degree is sufficient. The certification course teaches you all the medical knowledge you need. Can freshers apply for medical coding jobs? Yes, but certification is almost always required. Employers prefer certified candidates even for entry-level roles. Is medical coding only for women? Absolutely not. While the field has more women globally, men are equally successful and welcome in this profession. How long does it take to become job ready? With dedicated training, you can be certified and job ready in 3 to 6 months. What's the scope outside UAE? Massive. CPC certification is recognized in the US, UK, Canada, Australia, and across the GCC. Your skills are globally portable. Why now is the time? Let me be real with you. The healthcare industry is evolving faster than ever. With digital transformation, electronic health records, and AI-assisted tools, the demand for skilled human coders who understand compliance and accuracy is only increasing. AI might assist coders, but it won't replace the critical thinking and judgment that certified professionals bring. The UAE is investing billions into healthcare infrastructure. Medical tourism is booming, insurance regulations are getting stricter. All of this means one thing: more jobs, better salaries, and stronger demand for medical coders. If you have been looking for a stable, well-paying career that doesn't require years of medical school, this is it. Conclusion: so there you have it, your complete guide to building a medical coding career in UAE in 2026. for understanding the profession to landing your first job, you now have the roadmap. But remember, knowledge without action is just information. If you are serious about starting this journey, the next step is getting certified. At Edoxi Training Institute, we offer a comprehensive medical coding course designed specifically for the UAE healthcare market. You will learn from certified instructors, practice with real-world cases, and get dedicated support from your CPC exam preparators. Whether you are a fresh graduate or a career switcher or a healthcare professional looking to upskill, we will help you get there. Visit edoxi.com or click the link in the description to learn more about our upcoming batches. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to Edoxi, and turn on notifications because we are bringing more career-changing content every week. Drop a comment below. Are you considering medical coding as your next career move? I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and build a career that pays.